Alright, now I will demonstrate how to install this holder. It's a hair blower holder in this place. As you can see, the drill has been made already. It was there, something else was over here, so I'm not going to drill anymore. I'll utilize this place to install it. So before starting, what we need to do is we have to, if you point in this direction, we have to open it. As you can see, there is a hole up there. We will use a screw to install it here using a screwdriver. You can come here closer. Yeah, there you go. Simple. All you need to do is tighten it. Yeah. Now that it has been installed, this thing needs to be installed as well. So the problem here is there is not enough space. Well, we have to solve this problem. Let me see if I can maybe as you can see here, if I screw in this direction, there is not enough space in. So for this, what I'll do is I'll push them towards each other, make it shorter, and then install it. See? See? Well, now that it has been installed, maybe a little bit, yeah. Just have to, make it longer and put it, yeah, just here we go, maybe a bit, yeah, so it's pretty much done now. Let me show you how I put my hair blower, which was here. Alright, so this goes pretty well. And goes here. What I can do is fold it more, and then maybe just put the folded part here, and then so it's pretty much done. So yeah, there you have it, installed the holder. Thank you.